Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set team preferences on the ESPN application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this more button once you are at your home page that you can find down below in the right side corner of the screen. And then here you can find your favorites. If you tap on the edit button, you can tap on the add more teams button down below, and here you can select from the teams, tap on the relevant one and click on the finish button in the upper right corner of the screen. So here you can see your set teams. You can get rid of them if you tap on this minus icon on the left side and then click on the delete button, and it will be removed from your my teams section. If you are done, click on the done button at the top, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.